Imagine creating print-ready designs for your merchandise in just minutes, just like these. Let's see how it's done. Hi, I'm Asasi and welcome back to my channel where I showcase the best AI tools for creatives and entrepreneurs. Today I'm diving into the Print on Demand Assistant GPT, your ultimate tool for crafting eye-catching designs for t-shirts, mugs, and more. Let's jump in. All right, we have 4 conversation starters. The first one is quick create design, research trending pod designs, generate mock-up images, and explore exercises. We're going to get started with the quick create design. Now, these designs that you create with this tool can be used for Etsy, Payhip, Beacon Shop. You can use it for Printify and Printful. Basically, anywhere you can think of to sell your print on demand items, you can use this tool for. Okay, now it's going to start us off with a base prompt, but since it's a quick create design command, I'm going to ask it to randomly create me one, and then we'll just go from there. So I'm just going to say random, and Valentine's Day is the next holiday, so let's do some Valentine's Day themes. Random Valentine's Day. And I will say distressed and see what it gives us. Okay, that looks nice. It actually like it could be going on a junk journal. So let's try another one. And I find the croquette bows are pretty popular, so let's do that. See that? Bow. Okay, that's nice. It's still like it's sticking with the, like I said, like a junk journal type theme. So let me get a little bit more specific and say, okay, that's cute. And let's go again. This time, I'm gonna say background, no extra elements. Not really feeling that one. But you know what? Let's go ahead and pop it into Canva. I have created a few mock-ups, and yes, this tool you can also create t-shirt mock-ups for mugs as well, tote bags, but we'll get into that in another video when I go over that command. Let's see if we can remove the background. All right, and that's cute, not too bad. She's heartbroken, but not too bad. Okay, so let's try another one. And I think I asked for a bow. Did I ask? No, I did not ask for a bow. Let's do this. Distress. Say pretty. Okay. Cute. And let's duplicate her. Uh-oh, doesn't look like. And we're going to move the background. Cute. And this could also go onto a white t-shirt. I just have some black mock-up t-shirts for now. All right, let's try with some text. Oops. So I'm gonna say, copy and paste the same prompt. And include okay. And you can, as always, get detailed. You can use the base prompt that it came with. Okay, that is nice. We will have to clean it up some because I see it has some extra wording that I do not want. So let's see if we can do that real quick. Go over to edit, magic eraser, and you will need Canva Pro in order to do this. I don't really care for that either. Let's see. Okay, I'm okay with the happy. It's a little bit right here I don't like, and it also said preferred format. Not sure why, but we're gonna get rid of it. And let's make my brush small so I can, well, I probably did it too small, but we're gonna work with it. If we can get detailed close as I can without messing up the line. And let's bring it up just a little bit. So I won't be all day with this. Okay. Clean up a little bit more. And let's see how that looks. All right. Go in again. Oops. Hope that didn't mess it up. Okay. Just a little bit more. Okay. All right. Let's see a little something here. Okay, it added a little bit, but that's fine. Don't want to make this video too long, so we're gonna go with that, and then we're gonna remove the background. And that may not look too good because did it? Because it's black. I think I have a t-shirt for a white mock-up. So I'm gonna grab that one so we can see this better. Okay, so I grabbed the white t-shirt mock-up that I also created with this tool, and it looks much better. Okay, so let's delete this one. All right, let's do another one. Going with the, oops, sticking with the same theme. Let's see, this time let's do glossy. Hope we won't have to do too much editing with this one. It messed up the wording, and Not sure how that's gonna look, so let's try it again. So redo. Okay, that one is much better. Might have to see which color I'll go with this. Still gotta do some editing a little bit. Oh, it took away the wording, but that is cute without it. Let's see. And then you can also add some text to it. That one is really cute. Let's see if I want to play around with some text really quick. What font do I want to use? Say okay. Let's make it 50. Make this a little smaller. Okay, that's cute. And you can also, what I would do to keep these together, I would remove this picture and put it just on a plain canvas and then save it and bring it back in. But that one is cute. Okay. And should we do one more? Yeah, let's try one more. Random Alan, make sure you put in quotes, times day. This makes the words come out a little bit better. Random Valentine's Day, red, hard. And let's go back with the stress. Okay, just gave us a simple one. So we'll copy that. And I just realized I'm putting pictures on top of pictures. It's okay. It's just for demonstration purposes. And that one actually, like, it has some sparkle. Just gave me an idea. That's cute. Now I'm going to try to do one with sparkle. Oh, that one is cute. Let's copy. Let's go ahead and delete that. Background remover. And cute. And you can also, like you saw, ask it to add some words on it. And there you have it. The instant create design command of the Print on Demand Design Assistant. If you enjoyed this demo, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment on what print on demand designs you'd like to see next. And if you're ready to elevate your creative business, check out the link below to try this tool for yourself. And as always, you can also check out the link in the description to download these images for free. Until next time, see you in the next one.